Do you need reliable factory-trained engineers to service and maintain your cleaning equipment? PC Jones Service Centres have been providing high-quality maintenance and repairs to Karcher, Q, Alto, Nilfisk, Journey and Pneumatic since 1982. Our well-stocked workshops and mobile service engineers use original manufacturer spares for all your maintenance equipments throughout the southwest of England. We can come to your premises or collect your machine, in most cases leaving a courtesy machine while we fix yours. Visit our website. Call PC Jones Service Centres.